in Overland. We're at Alabama Hills, and after this, we're gonna go to Death Valley. We're gonna set up camp and make out. Rate Aiden's fit. So this is our spot. We haven't camped here before. We did camp at the spot over here on our first Alabama Hill video. It's always fun when it's a little different. We got the GX all set up, our little patio, Aiden's workstation. We got the bed. Water. All right, so I'm gonna change this little area into a nice, cool fire pit. It looks so professional. What do we got going on here? Instant noodle, rice cakes, cabbage, fried fish cake, and gnocchi. Green onion. That's how we do it in Raiden Overland. We don't drop weight, we gain weight. So Aiden put me in charge reading the instructions. They're all in Korean. How am I gonna read this? And just like that, Aiden made some bomb food. Aiden and I are all packed up. It's a little breezy today, so we're gonna make breakfast in the car and head to Death Valley. We're gonna mix it up now. We're gonna take this road. I don't know which one's gonna be faster, but maybe this getting to here. But we're gonna go through Teakettle Junction, but this is to all my Argentinian haters. I didn't overfill it this time. And we made it. This is the Saline Valley South Pass entrance. It's a really remote road, but this is how you start the Teakettle Junction. A-Dog and I are gonna tear down. Maybe like to 25 PSI. We're at this point. This is where we went last time on our trip. We cut through this and then, went to the moving rocks. But this time we're gonna do this section of Teakettle Junction. Oh, you can only get there if they're hiking? I guess at some point we will have to hike to that.
Lower hills have fossils.
What?
From mollusks.
So the layout has kind of changed. Now we're like in the thick of it. So this is called Hunter Cabin Road. The sign says there's Hantavirus may be present here. Aiden, are you okay? There's Hantavirus.
Hanta.
So here's a cabin. I was informed was that there's actual multiple cabins on this road that you can actually stay at. How's this one, Aiden? Been with a clock, some cleaning, a book.
Has a fucking deadly virus alert.
Yeah, fuck that.
Fucking mask.
Someone probably got sick, dude. If you're looking to get some pinstripes, this is like a really good trail. What do you think, Aiden?
Really nice.
Really nice. Wow, look at that. And we're back down the valley, I think. We made it to Teakettle Junction. We met up with some bikers. Told me that the way out we were going, apparently the road's shut down. Hayden and I are up for an adventure. We're either going back down that steep road that we did last time, or the road we just hit. There's the playa out in the distance. This is the playa, this is the racetrack. It's really sick.
This is not the racetrack.
It's called the racetrack.
Oh.
Yeah. Buddy. Cheers. Alright, so we're at camp. Last time we camped here. This time we're gonna do this one because it's way less clapped out. A-Dog and I are gonna set up camp in 3, 2, 1. So we're gonna go explore some mines. So I don't know what this was. Maybe it's for a mine cart. And there's the broken mine cart. Someone's underwear is right here. Look, underwear, shit paper, turd. So we got A-Dog there. We got me here. I'm gonna actually set the fire up right now, so Aiden can take her time cooking. We got shishito peppers, Brussels sprouts. All right.
Let's eat.
Time to eat. Wow. Thank you for the plate.
Nom, nom, nom.
Aiden, can you show them your... Look at this burger, dude. Oh my gosh. Amazing. This is a tomato in there, or is that ketchup?
I put tomato.
Girl, what? Cast iron's changing the game. Don't scare him. What if he hisses at you?
He's not gonna hiss at me.
It's cracking. I feel like it's already hot. Thank you, Aiden. Perfect breakfast burrito for my birthday. Alright, we're all packed up. So here we are, Lippincott Pass. We've done this before in our last video. It's not too bad. The only issue is it's just so narrow that if someone's coming up, it's kind of fucked. Got it?
No.
Now you wonder, what can you do at this time? Last time Aiden was reading a book. Now she's doing her eyelashes. As you can tell, see, it's pretty narrow. It's not like a huge drop off, but I mean, you would still die. That's where it starts looking kind of scary. Like, look at that view. You're like, ooh, there's a cliff. That's not so fun. So see, look, we're up here right now, and we kind of have a good view.
No one's coming.
But this is the section that's kind of scary, and we can't see who's coming down. Oh fuck, and it's really fucked up. You wanna get out?
Mm-hmm.
There's not a single dust cloud in sight. So, never mind. So it doesn't take too long on that stretch. It's just like the last mile is a little bit rocky. Yesterday, I don't know if you guys remember, we did all this and then we went right here where the moving rocks are. And from there, we did this little short pass. And then now we're going to the Saline Valley. So we got back onto the racetrack via Hunter Mountain Trail. So we just gotta get down this, get on the main road. Aiden's hacking into the local database. Well guys, that's it. Got this far, drop a happy birthday, drop a comment, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Aiden, hey dog, you want to say anything? All right guys, peace.